Look at that black girl, look at that black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, yeah.
Hey you guys, it's your girl ChyNashelle, and in this video it will be a makeup tutorial with the Juvia's Place palette, the Juvia's Place foundation, and the Juvia's Place lipstick. I did get that in the bundle, so with this video it's just going to be a makeup tutorial. I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and yeah, stay tuned. So the concealer I will be using is the LA Colors concealer for the base of my eyelids, so the eyeshadow can bring more effect within the colors. So I will be applying that first. So the next thing I will be using is the Festival by Juvia's Place eyeshadow color. The first one I will be using is the Aura. I know I kind of messed up on the lid before. You can just ignore that until we get to that color. But the eyelid color I will be using is called the Oro. I'm not for sure if I'm saying that right. But yeah, that will be the base color. And then after that, where the red is already, that will be the Ofala color that I will be applying on next. So also I forgot to mention that the inside of where I'm shading in my eyeshadow, that color is actually hot pink. So the one on the left top is like a brighter red color, but the inside color is the Eerie G color within the palette. So yeah, I forgot to mention that color as well. So basically right here, I am just adding a little shimmer eyeshadow to the base color to make it more vibrant and more, you know, fancier within the base of my eyelid. So yeah. Now also I will be doing the same thing on the other side of my eye. It will be pretty straightforward, so I'm just going to go ahead and fast this part up within the video. It's just pretty straightforward. next thing I will be using is the Juvia's Place Matte Foundation in the color 410. It's pretty good matte foundation, but usually with this foundation, you may need to, spray on some setting spray, but I didn't, since it's already matte as soon as you put it on your face. So it's pretty, I really do like the foundation. I will give it a 10 out of 10, and I do highly recommend you guys try it. So next I will be using the LA Color Girl matte eyeliner underneath my eyes. I had to go back over and fix my makeup because when I touched under my eyelids, my makeup smeared off. And also I will be applying my eyelashes to bring out the eye. So next also I will be using my NYX lip liner to have a vibrant lip of the color that I will be using on top of that. And lastly, I will be applying my Juvia's Place Festival Liquid Lip in the color, it's like a pink color, I'm not for sure, orange, but the style of the color is called Soil Matte. So yeah, this lipstick is actually bomb because at the end, once you put on your lip pencil and also the matte lip, it brings more effect. So yes, I do like it. And also this is the look. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. There will be more videos coming. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.